vlogging with my phone right now. We are in the car on the way to our new apartment because we are getting the keys today, and I thought I would take you along. And our car is completely full again. We took a lot of stuff already with us. But obviously we have so much more at our current flat. And this Saturday, so today we have Wednesday, and on Saturday we will have our big moving day where all of our friends are coming and helping us to get all of our shit to the new apartment. But we still have to pack a lot. But today we planned, after we got the keys, we will drive to IKEA because there we are planning our kitchen. We have to buy an entire kitchen with it, which is a bit annoying. But yeah, we are gonna do that. We are buying more moving boxes because all of the ones we bought are already full with our clothes and stuff. So yeah, we have a lot still to do today, and I also have to edit some videos for my jobs, and I feel like today I will have a night shift. And I just got this absolutely dreamy Chanel bag in the mail, but it's unfortunately not mine. I have it borrowed from a brand, so I can use it for my content and just on a daily basis, and then at some point I will send it back and get like another bag, but it's like not mine. I would have told you if I would invest into a Chanel bag. So we just arrived in the apartment, and I would love to give you an empty apartment tour, but the lighting is so bad because it's already dark. We have like 5 p.m. now. And it's so weird, the sound really gives an echo because here's nothing in, obviously. So I'm standing in our new bedroom and I have to make some decisions. So we got these wood samples, a darker shade and a lighter shade, because we want to build a closet here in our bedroom. Or basically Matti is building it, not me, I'm just deciding on the colors. And then we also have some color samples for the walls. So I feel like we have already decided on the darker wood, because this one is basically the exact same color as the floors. You see what I mean? This is like the same color almost, and this is a bit darker, so I feel like we will go with this one. And then we have to decide on something for the walls, because we didn't want to let them just plain white, because I don't know, it's kind of a cool white, and we wanted something a bit more warm, like eggshell. So yeah, we have to decide on that. And then in the kitchen, I feel like the echo is a bit less intense here. Maybe I should stay here for vlogging. In the kitchen, first of all, we have these really cute floors. And this is, by the way, our first thing in the apartment, my Gizu fridge. We brought it just so we can see how much space a fridge will take in our kitchen, because now when we are driving to IKEA we have to plan everything, so we already know kind of where the fridge will be. We want to get an L kitchen here and like some high cabinets here, and this part should be made out of dark wood and the upper part should be made out of like colorful wood, I don't know. So we have these color samples here, and we are pretty sure that we want to get with this one. It's hard to imagine now, but trust me, it's gonna look cute. We found a lot of very cute Pinterest info. Matti is also measuring something. I don't know what, but something. Hi guys, so it's getting very serious now. We have 2 days apart from our big moving day, so we are packing everything up right now, and we are doing the closet at the moment. And it really makes me realize how many clothes I have, and that I have way too much, because the past weeks over I was already starting to pack some things up in boxes and like put them to my grandparents' place and stuff. And now I still have so much stuff here, and I already packed a few boxes. But yeah, have a look how it looks like. This is Matti's stuff. This is also already full. This is the rest that I kept here. The other stuff is already in boxes. situation. We are disassembling the bed. Basically, Matti is doing it. Because we will only keep the mattress and buy a new bed soon. So we just did a very essential part of our moving. We decluttered the basement, and the basement was a place where over the past 3 years we just stored all our shit and like old stuff or stuff where you think, oh, maybe I will use it someday in the future again. And now we had to like empty this part of the apartment as well, and it was so disgusting. I have never seen in my life so much red poop and like stinky stuff, and everything was kind of rotten and ew, just so disgusting how like rats have nested into this basement and to all the stuff there, and it was just everything was rotten. So really, really disgusting, but this is over now, happily. And yeah, we have now 10 p.m. I'm very, very tired. My back hurts from all the like carrying stuff around. We have disassembled the bed frame and our closet because we are not keeping those, and brought everything down. A little reminder, we are living in the 5th floor without an elevator, so we have to go 5 floors down and up all the time, which is so exhausting. But yeah, this is the current status quo, and tomorrow we will already pick up our new closet and our new kitchen, at least parts of the kitchen, at IKEA, and we'll bring it to the new apartment. And then the day after, on Saturday, we will have all our friends here helping us to move all our stuff, and it's so much. I have no idea how we will manage it. It starts here, the mattress. This will be our bed for tonight. And then it goes on here. The lamp, the mirrors. This is the door of the closet, and we will keep the doors and just buy new, like, yeah, the base of the closet. And then here are so many more boxes. It is so much. It's gonna be like 2 or 3 really horrible days for Matti and me. And you can exclusively be a part of that. We have the next day. It's now 1 day until our big moving day, and our apartment looks like a complete mess. I will show it to you later. But today we are now just waiting for my best friend to come here. Then we will drive to a furniture place where we will order a chair that we want to have, and then we will go to IKEA and pick up our kitchen and closet, the parts that are already available. Before that we will pick up a transporter, so we are able to transport all of this. But yeah, and then we will go to the new apartment and already start to put the stuff down there and hopefully assemble something already, but I don't know how the time will be by that. This is how the living room looks like right now. And we stored most of our clothes in these blue trash bags because we would have paid so much for all the moving boxes if we would, like the card boxes. Is this card boxes? Papa? Card boxes?
No, the moving boxes.
Yeah, okay, whatever. The moving boxes are so expensive, and we need like 50 of them, so we decided to just store all of the soft stuff like clothes in trash bags. You enter here. Here a little bathroom. Little storage room. That's gonna be the kitchen. The little kazoo fridge. This is gonna be the office. Already packed up with furniture from IKEA. Then the big bathroom with a really nice gigantic shower. And last but not least, the bedroom. Oh wait, no, I didn't show the living room yet. And the living room. Matti. And out here is a balcony that's also accessible from the bedroom.